In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free trial on Canva. If you're already on the Canva home dashboard, you're in the right place. The goal here is to move from the main screen into the area where you can compare plans and activate your trial, all in just a few clicks. Begin by looking at the bottom left corner of your Canva screen. That's where your profile icon lives. It usually appears as a small circle with your photo or initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is where Canva tucks away key settings and account management options, so it's the quickest path to anything related to billing or subscriptions. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, don't worry, just stay in this menu for the next step. From the account menu, click on Plans and Pricing. This takes you to Canva's full list of plan options, where you can compare what's included. You'll notice different tiers, and the page may display prices in your local currency. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're viewing the right one so the plan applies to the correct account. This page is also a great spot to quickly scan what you'll unlock with an upgrade, things like premium templates, brand controls, and powerful editing tools, so you know what you're getting during the trial. On the Plans and Pricing page, find the Canva Pro option and click Start a Free Trial. This button is your confirmation point. Depending on your region, Canva may show a trial length and the billing cadence, monthly or yearly. So take a second to confirm those details before proceeding. Canva may also ask you to add a payment method to begin the trial. That's standard for most trials and helps ensure uninterrupted access if you decide to keep the plan. You won't be charged until the trial ends, but it's smart to note the renewal date so you can make a decision in time. If you're prompted to choose between monthly and yearly, review both options, as yearly plans can sometimes offer better value. Once the trial is active, you'll immediately see Pro features unlocked. Try premium templates, experiment with the background remover, and set up brand assets to get the most out of your trial period. If something doesn't look right, like the button isn't visible or the layout looks different, refresh the page or check you're in a desktop browser, since interfaces can vary slightly. And that's it. You've started your Canva Pro free trial, and you're ready to create with the full toolkit.